Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Android smartphone in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Google Pixel 7 5G Android Phone. Unlocked smartphone with wide-angle lens and 24-hour battery. 128 GB, Obsidian. Google Pixel 7 is powered by Google Tensor G2. It's faster, more efficient, and more secure, with the best photo and video quality on Pixel on. Other camera description: front, rear. Unlocked Android 5G phone gives you the flexibility to change carriers and choose your own data plan too. Works with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and other major carriers. Pixel's adaptive battery can last over 24 hours. When extreme battery saver is turned on, it can last up to 72 hours. The 6.3-inch Pixel 7 display is super sharp with rich, vivid colors. It's fast and responsive for smoother gaming, scrolling, and moving between apps. Google Pixel 7 has wide and ultra-wide lenses with up to 8x Super Res Zoom 5, and cinematic blur brings more drama to your videos. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy F54 5G A series cell phone, factory unlocked Android smartphone, 128 GB with /6.4 fluid display screen, high-res camera, long battery life, refined design, US version, 2023, awesome black. Crisp detail, clear display. Enjoy binge watching on a clear 6.4 screen that provides a smooth entertainment experience. Scroll through social feeds and watch action-packed movies, catching all the details you need on your Galaxy F54 5G show it says with EAs. Brilliant sunrises, awesome selfies, capture incredible content with Galaxy F54 5G. Snap clear images with single take *** and OIS, and even take shots in low light with nightography. Charge you put in charge on. Always be ready for an impromptu photo op or newly released video with a powerful battery that has your back. With a long-lasting, super fast charging *** 5000 mAh battery, Galaxy F54 5G keeps you up and running. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy F14 5G A series cell phone, factory unlocked Android smartphone, 64 GB with /expandable storage, long battery life, 13MP camera, 6.6 infinite display screen, US version, 2023 black. Long-lasting BATDRI. Stay ready for today's surprises with the fast charging, * long-lasting battery of Galaxy F14 5G. Confidently handle work while on the go and play your favorite games with a battery that gives your charger a break. Other camera description: front, rear. 5G at your fingertips. Enjoy playing games and streaming with virtually lag-free 5G ** and the fast, reliable processor of Galaxy F14 5G. Download and share content quickly with a phone that keeps up with the speed of life. Expand DABLE storage. Live and relive your favorite experiences with the expandable memory of Galaxy F14 5G **. Savor those unforgettable moments with 64 GB of internal memory and room for up to 1 TB more when you add a microSD card **. Number 2. OnePlus 11 5G 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB dual SIM Titan Black US factory unlocked Android smartphone, 5000 mAh battery, 80W fast charging, Hasselblad camera, 120 Hz fluid display, and processor. Free 6 months of Google One and YouTube Premium with purchase of OnePlus 11. New accounts only for each service to qualify. Peak performance. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset is the most advanced chipset for Android devices, with increased CPU and GPU performance. Integrated AI processes improve background app usage, delivering increased multitasking abilities. Burdenless imaging. The OnePlus 11 5G features a triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, a primary 50MP sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, and 32MP telesensor. Hasselblad integration unlocks a wide range of photographic possibilities, including OnePlus Billion Color Solution, natural color calibration by Hasselblad Portraits. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cell phone, factory unlocked Android smartphone, 128 GB, flex mode, hands-free camera, compact, foldable design, informative cover screen, US version, 2022, Bora Purple. FLAX Pose POS Tip. Getting that post-worthy solo shot is easy with a phone that stands on its own. Put Galaxy Z Flip 4 in flex mode and capture hands-free selfies. Record your epic dance moves and never worry about your makeshift tripod falling over again. Form_factor. Flip capture on one screen, text on the other. Catch up with friends on the top and find the perfect pic to post on the bottom. Flex mode makes doing two things at once a breeze. Never miss 8NOTIFICATION. The customizable cover screen on Galaxy Z Flip 4 allows you to see just what you need while keeping your full screen private. Respond to texts, skip songs, and change settings, all while keeping your cell phone conveniently compact PRFAKTLI POCET sized. Ditch the bag and travel light. The compact.